Right now, what we're gonna do is we're gonna make black marble. Are you ready for this? Stay tuned, enjoy the video.
I honestly can't believe it came out this good. I really don't believe it. But I'm seeing it, and I don't believe it. I still can't believe it.
Guys, have you seen the video where Mitch actually made this rock face edge? Check that out. I really like the roughness of this one. We also have a subtle edge that we also have done a video on. This is how we tap it and get it looking like a rock, and then we also do a striated slate edge. So guys, if you want to see how to prep these boards, check that video out. It'll be linked in the description and at the end of this video. All right guys, I got my Stone Coat Countertop Epoxy, and I'm gonna do black marble. What colors should I do with black marble? Let's have some fun. Let's go pick them out. All right, here we go. Okay, I'm gonna use some diamond dust. I'm gonna use our white metallic powder. I'm also gonna use our silver black dye. And I'm also gonna use some white dye. Let's throw a couple change-ups in there too. I think that dark bronze would look good in that recipe. You know what I'll do is I'll add some black spray paint and maybe another color of spray paint. So let's go to our spray paint and grab something. Right here, I'm gonna use our black spray paint. Spray paint will actually create selling. It makes everything look like natural stone. It creates that cellular structure that you find in natural stone, so don't underestimate the power of spray paint. All right, I'm also going to use some of the dark bronze spray paint, so that will go with the metallic. Now, why do I use metallic and spray paint in the same color family? Again, it does that reaction. It does cool things for you without even trying. Here we go. I think I'm gonna go with some white spray paint too. I'm putting the tape on the edges because I want to trap the epoxy. I don't want anything to escape until I'm ready. You know, our epoxy will gel up for you and it will sit on the surface where you want it as it starts to set up. So that's why I create a temporary tape dam. Now, if you're doing this over existing countertops, the same principle applies. You can tape that front edge, you can caulk the back where the wall meets the countertop, you can let your countertop start to set up and then remove that tape in about an hour and a half or so, and that will allow that gel to come over. You rub it out horizontally with your hand and you have all your effects stay right in place. That's a pro tip that you're gonna learn right here at Stone Coat Countertops on this channel. Guys, have you subscribed and rang the bell so you get notified every time we have a new video? You don't want to miss the next one. You won't believe what we're about to do. I don't even know what it is. Time to mix. Dude, I got a pail here that's like still sticky from my last video. We just poured that one. I'm gonna use it again. That's living outside the danger zone right there. Living outside the danger zone, I think that would be living in the danger zone. That's living in the danger zone, using the same bucket. You know you're living when you're cheating the bucket system. Don't be oppressed by the bucket system, man. Here we go, let's do it. Okay guys, everybody asks me how much do you use per square foot? Let me tell you, on a normal pour I'll use 3 ounces per square foot per coat. But on an exotic pour where I make it look like exotic stone, I use a little bit more material. However, a typical marble countertop, granite countertop is gonna range between $65, even $125 a square foot. Some of the high-end exotic stone will actually sell for. In this case, you're spending about $5 to $7 a square foot to create high-end looking countertops on a budget, and you don't have to sacrifice design and that look with a price tag. Guys, this is an amazing process that we've been teaching here on this channel for years. We love it and we love what it's evolved into. All right, let's make some black marble. Now the material is white because I had a little bit of white in the bottom of this bucket, but it'll be easy to overcome that with our colors. A little bit of black and white dye in there. Just a little mixing. Okay, a little spray paint action. Okay, time to mix it up, guys. All right, guys, this is my brother Matt. I've been teaching him how to do Stone Coat. So this is just all the little excess leftover that was in the buckets that I just create a wash coat with and undercoat. That's pretty cool in and of itself, right?
Yeah, no waste, zero waste.
There's your bucket of happiness right there.
Wow.
Crazy, right?
Yeah.
So that's our bronze spray paint, our bronze metallic, our silver metallic, our diamond dust, black dye, white dye, mostly dark colors because we're going to do a dark marble. Okay, you ready?
Yeah. Is there a right or wrong pattern when you do this?
No, just have fun, man. The person who has the most fun doing this wins. You want to put some gloves on, you could help me tilt this thing, man. You see how fast I got that on there?
It was fast.
Hey everyone, quick question of the day. Should we give this project a lower sheen level, a natural stone matte finish? Because once the color coat is dried, it will have a glossy finish. So we can either choose to clear coat it with our regular Stone Coat Countertop Epoxy, or should we use our ultimate top coat and give it a natural stone finish and the ultimate scratch resistance? So should we make a video of us applying the ultimate top coat to this project? Let me know in the comments below. Oh, and I almost forgot, we did the hard work for you. We made step-by-step written instructions on our website for you if you'd like to make this exact countertop. This kit is gonna have everything you need, from the metallics to the dyes to the spray paints. And with the cherry on top, all the instructions to help you learn how to become a DIY pro and make black exotic marble in your own space. We'll see you there.
Look at that, it looks like a lava flow of color just coming down.
Yeah.
Side.
Okay, go to the other side in the front, Matt. We're gonna pick it up and then we're gonna tilt it to the right. Come out here. Okay, and then go to the right. Look how beautiful that's gonna be. I'm just trying to get kind of even coverage, you know? And I'm stretching the pattern out. And
oh, look at that. Look at that. You can just look at it.
set her down. That's pretty amazing, man.
It moves the colors a little bit too.
Yeah. I got a little left over in this bucket, so I'm just gonna come touch up these sections here.
It's just amazing that you can create something like this so fast.
Isn't that easy?
I mean, I still am waiting for the secret behind the scenes stuff, and there isn't anything. It's this easy. It really is this simple.
Guys, did you enjoy this video? Do you like our black marble with bronze accent recipe? Do you like it?
I love it.
Guys, let us know. Do you love it? Hit that thumbs up. Share this with your friends. Visit us anytime at stonecoatcountertops.com to learn the latest tips, tricks, tools, and techniques to become an epoxy pro. Now you know. I hope you enjoyed the video. We'll see you on the next one. You got this. Oh, you got to help me with that. Remember, from Stone Coat Countertops, you got this. We'll see you on the next video.